So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to desaturate this layer. So go to colors, hue and saturation, and now reduce the saturation all the way down. So here it is, and now press OK. And now go to colors, and then contrast, brightness contrast. I'm going to increase a little bit the contrast. So I'm going to leave it here to around 11, and now press OK. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer. So click on this icon here, duplicate layer. And now go to filter, blur, and then select linear motion blur, left click. And now I'm going to leave it here, and I'm just going to increase the length or intensity of the blur. So I think I'm going to leave it here, and now press OK. And now I'm going to create a layer mask. This blurred layer, right click on it, add layer mask. And now check the black full transparency layer mask, left click, and then press add. So on a layer mask, the black represents transparency and the white opacity. Just add. And now we don't see the blurred layer. In order to reveal it, we just need to paint with white on the raster mask, this one here. So let's select the paintbrush tool. So I'm going to increase the size. So here are settings I'm going to use. And now I'm just going to paint. Make sure the foreground is white, and now I'm just going to paint with white on the raster mask. So here it's revealing the linear motion blurred layer. So here like this. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And now I'm going to merge both layers. So select the top layer and then click on this icon here to merge down. And now select the warp tool. So right click on the layer, layer to image size. And now select the warp tool. Make sure the warp transform is move pixels. So here are settings I'm using. And now I'm just going to move the pixels. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And now just select another tool here to confirm the warp. And now I'm going to create a new layer to create a gradient and then use a gradient map. So left click here, create a new layer. Make sure to filter with transparency and then press OK. Select the gradient tool. I'm going to make the foreground black and the background white. My gradient is FG to BG RGB, foreground to background RGB. The shape is linear. And now for the repeat, select non-extend, this one here. And now I'm just going to trace my gradient. So here it is. And now I'm going to add some color. So I'm going to add the color here, left click here. And here, left color, right color. Make sure to leave the chain icon here linked. And then left click. And now I'm going to select this orange color. So here's the HTML notation. Press OK. So I think I'm going to change it. I'm going to select this one here, press OK. And now I'm going to left click here. You can add any color you want and the number of color you want. So you just need to left click on the line here. So now I'm going to left click here and then left click. And now I'm going to add the blue color. So I think I'm going to add this one here. Here's the HTML notation. I'll press OK. So I'm just going to add two colors. So I have the black, the orange, the blue, and the white. And now let's select another tool here to confirm the gradient. So now if I select the gradient tool, you will find the gradient here we created here. So here it is. It changed from FG to BG RGB to custom. Since we created the layer, we modified the gradient, sorry. So now I'm going to hide this layer or even delete it. I don't need it anymore. Duplicate the women layer. Click on this icon. So here are settings for my gradient. I am still on the gradient tool. Shape linear, repeat non-extend. And now go to colors, map, and then select gradient map. So here it is. And now I'm going to change the layer mode here, left click of this layer. the gradient map. I'm going to change it to overlay. You can still, for example, duplicate it to increase the colors and then reduce the opacity. So I think I'm going to leave it with this one. And now I'm going to add some noise. So create a new layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now I'm going to fill it with the black color. So I'm just going to drag the foreground color, change its layer mode to screen. And now let's press the plus key. And now let's go to filters, noise, and then select this one here, CIE, noise, left click. So here it is, it adds the noise. So for the chroma, it's the colors I'm going to reduce to 0, the hue also 0. And now I can control, for example, the dulling or the lightness. So if I press the minus key, so here it is, to give the kind of grainy effect. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. And now I can still, for example, press the plus key to zoom in. I can still reduce the opacity of this layer. So here like this to reduce the effect. So I'm going to leave it here and now select bottom one, press minus key on your keyboard to zoom out.